Say about the class and so on, what you have experienced.
This is like bonus,
Been incredible. It was not at all what I was expecting.
This class was great.
but I have learned so many techniques this week. This is like bonus. This class has been fabulous.
All right, well,
Class this week has been great.
I had a fantastic time.
I'm way over my head here.
I learned a lot.
I thought I'd try wood carving, something I've never done.
Tell something good, okay?
Carving the Byzantine, and I'm probably not saying it correctly, acanthus leaf.
It's been incredible. It was not at all what I was expecting. Much more, I'm hesitant to say difficult, but it's much more involved than I thought. I didn't come here really with a desire to learn to carve acanthus leaves. My interest was a little bit different. But what I have learned is to see things totally different in more of a 3D perspective, which I'm struggling with. But you've taught me a lot about that. Comfort with gouges, which I've never really used before. And just the whole experience here. And you with the tremendous amount of knowledge, not just in this, but your life in general. It's fascinating.
I started this class with very little wood carving knowledge, and I'm really thrilled with what I learned in 1 week. Alex is a great teacher. I had seen his wood carving class online, and I can't wait to get home and start doing the lessons. And I couldn't have asked for more out of the class. It's been great. We had a lot of fun, and I can't wait to come back.
It's good.
Okay.
But in the beginning, I thought this looked like something my dog chewed. The second day, I was more like, this is something my dog chewed after his teeth wore down some. But now it's shaping up.
Class this week has been great. As you can tell, we're carving the Byzantine, and I'm probably not saying it correctly, acanthus leaf. And we started right out learning how to sharpen our tools correctly, because that was bonus. Sharp tools are everything, so we've learned. And then we went into cutting out the basic shape, and then learning how to contour the leaves with the eyes, with the tubes that are connecting them, gluing them together, then sculpting the whole thing into a final product. I'm not quite done yet, but I have learned so many techniques this week. This is like bonus. This class has been fabulous.
I've been away from wood carving for a few years. I found Alexander's website and at the Florida Wood School of Woodworking, and reinvigorated me. He taught me a lot, and words can't explain my appreciation with his professionalism. Thank you. Wood carving, something I've never done, and it has turned out to be a very invigorating experience because it expanded my mind, my thought process. So I've enjoyed this 100%.
Thank you.
I just want to thank you.
Wait, can you start over again?
Thank you.
Thank you.
This class has been fabulous.
I came all the way from California to take this class, and I'm so glad I did.
Amen.